Benny, what's wrong? Why did you stop eating?
Dad, I can't breathe.
What? What do you mean you can't breathe?
It's hard. I can't take a deep breath. Oh no, is something stuck in your throat? No, nothing is stuck, but my chest feels tight.
Are you choking? Can you talk properly?
I can talk, but breathing is very difficult.
Oh my God, this is not normal.
Mom, he looks scared. I feel dizzy and my heart is beating fast.
Luna, call emergency right now.
Hello, yes, please come quickly. My son can't breathe properly.
Stay calm. Is he conscious?
Yes, he is awake, but he's struggling to breathe.
Keep him sitting upright. Help him stay calm. The ambulance is on the way.
Okay, please hurry.
Benny, look at me. Stay calm. Try to breathe slowly.
I'm trying, but it's not working. Benny, you're going to be okay. We're here. I don't like this. I can't breathe properly.
Sit straight, like this. Good.
The ambulance will be here any second.
I feel worse. Dad, why is his face red?
Benny, stay with us. Don't panic.
I'm trying, but it's really hard.
They're here. I hear them.
Thank God.
Where is the patient?
Here, my son. He suddenly couldn't breathe.
All right, Benny. We're here to help you.
Please help.
Lay him down carefully. Keep his head slightly up.
Benny, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, but it's still hard to breathe.
Okay, stay with me. Try to take slow breaths. I'm putting an oxygen mask on you. This will help.
Okay.
Is he going to be okay?
We're checking everything. Stay calm.
What could this be? He was fine a few minutes ago.
Benny, I need to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
What did you eat today?
We had lunch, chicken, rice.
Anything else?
Yes, I had yogurt, fruit yogurt,
What kind of fruit?
strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay.
Benny? Have you ever had a reaction like this before?
No, never.
It might be an allergic reaction.
Allergic? But he never had allergies before.
Sometimes allergies can appear suddenly.
What should we do now?
We're going to give him medication through the IV. It will help him breathe better.
Is it going to hurt?
No, it's just through the IV. You won't feel much.
Okay.
All right, Benny. Just relax now.
Wait.
Yes. How do you feel?
I think I feel a little better.
That's a good sign.
My breathing is easier now.
Thank God.
I told you you're going to be okay.
You're doing great, Benny. Just keep breathing slowly.
Okay.
We're almost at the hospital.
We're here. Let's move quickly.
Benny, I'm right here. You're okay.
I feel better, but I'm still a little scared. We're with you. Don't worry.
Bring him in. Room 4 is ready.
He had difficulty breathing, possible allergic reaction. We gave him medication on the way.
All right, we'll take it from here.
You stay with him. I'll go do the registration.
Okay, go ahead.
Benny, how do you feel now? Much better. I can breathe easier. I was really scared. Me too. It felt really bad.
Hello. Wait, Daisy?
Luna? Oh, wow. What are you doing here?
Benny suddenly couldn't breathe.
Yes, I saw his report. It looks like an allergic reaction.
But he didn't eat anything unusual.
Mom, I did.
What do you mean?
I had fruit yogurt, strawberry flavor.
Oh no, I didn't even notice.
That explains it. He probably has a strawberry allergy.
Is it serious?
Right now he's stable. The medication worked well. Benny, how are you feeling now?
I feel much better. My breathing is normal again.
That's good. You handled it very well.
Thank you.
You just need to rest for a bit. When the IV is finished, you can go home.
Okay,
Hey Lily, how are you?
I'm good. But I was really scared.
That's normal. You were very brave.
Thank you.
It's been a long time since you came to our house. I don't see you and Linda together anymore.
Yeah,
Did something happen?
I don't want to talk about it.
Lily, why didn't you tell me?
You two were best friends. What happened?
It's her fault. I don't want to talk to her anymore.
Lily, sometimes problems between friends can be solved with a simple talk.
I don't think so.
I don't like seeing you two like this. So, how about this? Tonight, all of you come to our house for dinner.
That sounds like a great idea.
We can eat together, and maybe you and Linda can talk.
I can come, but I'm not promising anything.
That's fair.
Oh, Daisy. I didn't know you were Benny's doctor.
Hi, Harry. Yes, I just came in and saw his case.
How is he now?
He's fine. It was an allergic reaction. He's already feeling better.
Allergy to what?
Strawberry yogurt.
Oh no, I bought that? I didn't check.
It happens. The important thing is he's okay now.
I'm okay, and we're invited to dinner.
Dinner? Where?
At Daisy's house.
Oh, really? That's great.
Perfect. See you tonight then.
Mom, please don't try to make me and Linda talk.
But Lily, you're friends. You should try to fix things.
It's her fault.
Then talk about it. If she's wrong, she will say sorry. If you're wrong, you will say sorry.
I'll think about it.
Ha ha. That's a start.
Hey, welcome everyone.
Hi,
Hi,
Thomas.
Thomas.
Harry, it's been so long.
I know. Almost 2 months.
So, Benny, how are you now? Are you feeling better?
Yes, I'm much better now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You did great today.
We were really scared. It happened so suddenly.
Yes, 1 minute he was fine, and the next minute,
I couldn't breathe. I thought something really bad was going to happen.
But you all reacted quickly. That's very important. Lily, how are you?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? You look a little upset.
I am a little upset. I'm upset too.
All right, looks like we need to talk.
yes, I think it's time.
So, what happened between you two?
Ask Linda. Why me? You should explain.
Lily, go ahead. Tell us what's bothering you.
Fine. Linda is not my best friend anymore
Why do you say that?
because she has a new best friend. That's not true. It is true. I saw everything.
What exactly did you see?
A new girl came to our class. Her name is Julia. She sat next to Linda, and they started talking. Then Julia said, "You have a beautiful pen." And Linda gave her the pen. It was just a pen, Lily. And then Julia said, "You are my best friend now." And Linda said, "You are my best friend too." But I was her best friend. Lily, listen to me. No, you listen. I felt alone, like I didn't matter anymore.
Oh, Lily.
And then in the schoolyard, you shared your cake with her. You were laughing together, just like we used to. So yes, you have a new best friend. That's not what happened. Really? Then explain. Julia is new at school. She didn't know anyone. She looked nervous and a little sad. So I tried to be nice to her. When she said best friend, I just said it back so she would feel better. But you shared your cake too. Yes, because she didn't have anything to eat. I didn't want her to feel alone. But that doesn't mean you are not my best friend anymore. It felt like that. I didn't know you felt this way. Because you didn't look at me even once. I'm sorry.
Lily, can I tell you something?
Okay.
When I was your age, I had 4 best friends.
4?
Yes, we were always together. We studied together, played together, shared our food. Everyone at school knew us.
Then what happened? Are you still friends?
Of course we are. We still meet every weekend. We go hiking, we go to the sea, we go camping, and we are still best friends.
Really?
Yes, because friendship is not limited to one person.
That's right, Lily.
You don't lose a friend just because they are kind to someone else.
I thought best friend means only one.
No, it means someone important in your life. And you can have more than one important person.
So, what do you think you should do now?
I think I should say sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have stopped talking to you. I was just scared of losing you. I'm sorry too. Maybe I didn't act clearly, and I made you feel bad. But you are still my best friend. Really? Of course. I'm glad we talked yesterday. Me too. Everything feels better now. I was really overthinking. Just a little. Hey, Linda. How are you, my friend? I'm good. How are you? I'm good too. You must be Lily, right? Yes. But how do you know my name? Linda told me about you. She did? She said you are her very close friend and you've known each other for a long time. Really? Of course, that's true. Yeah, it is true. It's really nice to have a close friend. In my old school, I had two best friends. But we had to move to this city because of my dad's job. And now I really miss them. That must be really hard. But you're not alone anymore. You have us now. Yes, Julia. We're your friends too. Really? Of course. That makes me so happy. Then we need to celebrate this new friendship. Celebrate? How? With cookies. Cookies? Yes, it's my rule. When I want to show friendship, I share a cookie. I like that rule. Me too. Good, because I have one. But it's only one. That's okay. Good friends can share even small things. Let's hold it together and break it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, your piece is the smallest. That's okay. No, it's not fair. It is fair. If you have more, I feel happier. If I had the bigger piece, I would feel bad. Julia, you're really kind. Yes, she is. And I'm really happy that you are my friends. We're happy too.